Afrika mahle butani bantu womgquba igama lami ndingusilindile uma mpinga umbhalo kwaqosha into omntwana ngabe nobo ifuna abantwana ifuna abadala kuthiwa phuma abantwana ndifuna udlala nonyoko sibumbu mitha kanjani ubhukuxekile nivile romance out niyayizwa musi romance lapha ayisiyimi ningathi ngiyathukana guys mamelanini ke namhlanje ngiphethe omunye usisi and ngimcela ukuthi angangidedemile usisi uyakhala like yabona makhulunywa ngomuntu passionate when she sings something and she always sing things that she knows that she will feel, she will resonate and she will make a greater version of it. Ngiphethe uMasompisi guys. So
hi mama, how are you doing? As you can tell.
Tell me, ipuyaphi le voice because you've got a husky voice. How do you learn that voice?
Okay, nanokuthi bengicula kakhulu ekhaya, makukhona mina ekhaya uzongizwa. I'm loud.
Ngale voice yakhe ehoshozelayo still.
I'm loud. Ngona mina beze babizane ngama meeting. Okay, lengandibanga umsindo. 6 ekseni.
So now I want you to tell our viewers ukuthi ubani uMasompisi. Awuzilande nje.
Hi guys, gama lami noMpendulo Mbele, but I go by the name Pretty Masompisi. Well, igama lami lelithi Pretty Masompisi. Well, liqhamuka from umama ifuna ungiqamba athi noMpendulo Pretty. But ke baba nginkani yakhe bathi no, akabi negama elilodwa.
Yeah.
noMpendulo. So yeah man, and then when mangifika like goal ngathi it's fine ngizoba Pretty nesibongo sami Masompisi. Yes, so Masompisi nje ingane khuluso gogo. Yeah, mangithanda ukucula, hamba isonto esikoleni icula mina. Kuphi la nakunomsindo khona. You will find me.
I like Magathi guys.
Yimo zongithola.
Yes, and mina ngiyajabula ukuthi ubaba wakho didn't allow. I'm sorry guys, but ngifeel ukuthi when we listen to history, a reason that we had these middle names that were borrowed from Western people, it was because ukhumbule ngaleso sikhathi leso they couldn't understand our native names, so bekufanele ukuthi kubizwa amagama bazokhona ukuwabiza. I like the fact that ubaba wakho didn't allow that because I hate my English name.
Okay, Mina. Yeah. What is your name? What is your English name? I won't judge.
But I won't judge.
That's a beautiful name though. Get through. But yeah man, nanokuthi that time vele mase ngihlala manje ngiphansi ngicabanga yabonza angeke yo hayi igama lelilodwa li right, but I would have loved to have a second name. But manje uba mhlawumbe bade bengazi ukuthi ngizoba Pretty Masompisi bengizobani because phela bengenze ngithatha igama lami lo ID.
Alala yabona ke.
So it's a good thing ukuthi angilifakanga kwi-ID.
You're still honoring your mom though.
Yes,
yabo.
Yes.
So now I heard ngifuna nje silande emuva. Where were you born?
Oh, okay. Ngazalelwa eDurban. Clewood. I hope ngipronounce kahle Nkosi yami. So mama nobaba bahlangana lapho. Whatever that happened, I was abandoned, and then ugogo wazongilanda la kuhlala khona babami because thina sihlala ePortchepston bona bahlala eDurban. So it's quite a distance yabo. So ugogo wazongilanda then wangikhulisa.
I'm sorry to disturb you. You said you were abandoned.
Yes.
By who?
By my mother.
Okay. So ugogo zokulanda umama kamama or umama kababa?
Mama kababa. Okay. So ngathi mhlambe maybe ngawukuthi they were young. I can blame that. She was young. Because nanenkathi ugogo ezongilanda eThekwini akuzange kufone ubaba, but bengihlala endlini kababa. Kuzange kufone kodwa kafona ubhuti kababami obeze ezovakasha wathola ingane ilele empedeni abuzayibo.
How old were you when you were told?
I think I was okay. He told me that I was less than a month because my tata ungizala obviously ngimncane. She can't go with me ambu Kruva nami. Obviously mangawa phansi phelile.
Yeah.
So she forced ubaba ukuthi ahlale nami. You know, that's what he told me. Ngambiza ngobhutam because ngisho ugogo ngikhule ngimbiza ngomama.
Okay.
So igama lakho Mthobisi yena wathi kimi no, walefonela umama kunengane la ingane kaSimphiwe and lengane le iyashona and I try by all means ukuthi ngiphuzisa amanzi anoshukela ukuthi akwazi ukuthi at least kube na something eswini.
Oh, because you need now ibele or a baby formula. I hear you.
See, so ugogo shuthi wabona ukuthi lengane shuthi mangayilanda izoshona abo then weza ke wazongilanda ever since that time ngaze ngibona mama my biological mother and I was nompendulo.
I hope I'm not stepping in any. I'm a mother, right? And I cannot imagine my life without my kids.
Yeah.
And we are here not to judge because but we don't respond the same in any situations out there, in any pain, in any happiness or any other aspect of emotions.
Yes.
So now, mama, wayekushiya because of she felt ukuthi she needed her life more than having her life with you.
On my side,
that's how I perceive it.
Manje, yes, I was angry, so angry at things, so cool, because I wanted, never mind to go gave me utando.
Yes.
But that thing you would see, you know, I really want to see what ngifana nobani.
So you are told that ufana no mama when?
She never told umama kokwa magazangitshela ukuthi ngifana nobani kahle hle, because baba mangifana naye. I swear.
Yes.
But I feel like maybe that time she was young and nanokuthi sibancane sathi inqumo ezingafani because she was not from Durban. I think baba yena wangitshela ukuthi from I forgot this place but it's a KZN ikude futhi nase Durban edlangezwe. Yeah, I think so. So
yeah.
So my show shuthi ngasho ukuthi ugeli waye lapha eDurban ngokuthi uzosebenza ngingazi usebenza ngayiphi indlela because isiningi indlela zokusebenza you know. So mabethandana because I don't think there was love there on my side.
Okay.
Maybe ngaba ukuthi we just hyped, friends, you
with
know, with something because if they were dating bebezoba nama pictures. Baba here's an album lapha endlini engaka. In my pictures are wonke umuntu but he doesn't have a picture of my mom. So I feel like maybe they were young and kwenzeka lento ukuthi one night stand bese kwavela mina.
And phela ukhumbula 2004 is just here.
Yes.
So we were now having our phones and all that.
Yes.
I liked it when you said sisi banama reasons angafani for anything and everything. Is there any day that you wish you could meet her maybe?
Okay, kahle hle ngiyamfuna but ubaba me is giving me difficult time to tell me what happened.
Do you know your mom's name and surname?
Yeah, it's Lolo Mchunu. I don't think Lolo is surely Kamala say
laba behlangene ngalo last time.
Yeah, because naye mangimbuza uvelathi igama lakhe uSimphiwe Lolo Mchunu. I'm having difficult wait nali singasiphela but angimkholela mayisho njalo because igama lababa uSimphiwe yini emhlulu ukuthi all this time angitshela ukuthi igama lakhe uSimphiwe. So surely he's lying to me ukuthi uSimphiwe. So bengimfuna yena shame so much but at the same time ngimfunela mina or ngimfunela for closure. That was the questions that I had in my mind because if I don't find her futhi ngizoba ngengize kube buhlungu noma kuthiwa ngiyamthola kuzoba cool, you know. Yes, I'm angry but ngi-angry ngalendlela ukuthi why
me